All right, so here's a look at what they call a French balcony stateroom on the Oceania Vista. So everything looks identical to my room. So you've already seen the video for my room. Literally, it's an identical room. But the difference is when you come out here, instead of having a balcony that you can step out on, it's just what they call a French balcony. So you can see the door opens just like mine, but you'll notice that there's no chairs or anything. The reason is because the lifeboats are underneath and they come up too high that the balcony can't extend out. So you can open it up, lean out. We'll call it like a Juliet balcony, you know, when Juliet's leaning out and telling Romeo to come get her or whatnot. So anyway, you know, you still got the views, you can still get the breeze, but you just can't sit out, have a drink, you can't read a book, you can't have lunch, that kind of thing. But the nice part on this ship is this room is as bad as it gets. So even if you end up, you know, this works for your budget and it's like the worst room on board, it's not an inside room with no windows, and it's not a window room that doesn't open. At least it does open, you can get the breeze. So again, this is a French balcony on the Oceania Vista, which again is the lowest price room. It's the starting room on board.